Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. This guy is in bright white. It looks great. You do have the Jeep badging up front and your halogen headlights right there. And coming around the side here, we do have 16-inch rims with our tires there. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have your mirrors right there and the Patriot badging just down there. And coming all the way around to the back here, we do have the Jeep badging again right there. And then you can open it up just like this. Lots of room back here for storing groceries or whatever you might need to. You can fold the seats forward as well, and you got a bit of additional storage just over there. You got your spare tire underneath here if you did ever need it. Hopefully you don't. Okay, we got our key here. It is unlocked, so let's jump on in. So on the door here, you do have some chrome accenting on the handle. You have your manual windows. You got your another handle little here, and you do have some storage down here. Looks great in here. They are leather seats as well. They look fantastic and feel great. Right here we do have the controls over our turning signals and our lights. So we have our high beam control here as well, and we do have our low beams and our daytime running lights as well as the off. Okay, it is a manual transmission, so foot on the clutch, and we're good to go. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. Then you also have, it is saying that our e-brake is on. We do have 39,000 kilometers on this guy, and we can also change that around to our trip A and B, as well as the temperature outside and back to how many kilometers. That is controlled from right here. You have your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side right there. Over here we do have our controls over our windshield wipers and our rear windshield wiper. And then over here we do have our radio. So we have our seek options here, our AM and FM, disc, aux cord, and your forward and rewind. CD player right here, your eject, you got your power on and off. Presets down here, your browser, and your aux cord plug-in. Down in the climate control, we have the power up and down. We also have our heat here, heat and cold. And then we do also have our circulation and our defrost right there. Down here we do have our traction control, and this guy is our hazard lights. We have a bit of storage right here, our manual transmission gear shift. Then we also have some cup holders here and our e-brake. And then we do have our armrest that doubles as a storage container. We got a top layer there and a bottom layer right there. Over here we do have a glove box and another little top layer right up here. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting handle here, manual windows, and some storage down here. Looks great back here. They are leather as well, very comfortable. You got some cup holders just down there, and it does seat 5 people all together. Now if you did want to fold this forward, there's just a little pull right here. Fold those seats forward and gives you a little bit more storage in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine, and there is an engine block heater as well. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.